Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about this right here. This is an important part of any car. Have any of you ever realized that your tires keep going down or leaking air? Well, I'm going to show you why that is. Now, many of you are going to call me OCD about this, but there was one thing that obviously I couldn't take my eyes off when I first got this car. Now, to many people, they don't care about this, just like my friend Never. He was driving it around and didn't care about it. But some people just don't have an eye for detail, and I'm very, very OCD with these cars. And if need be, I will buy and replace every little thing until I get it right or fill everything that is missing. And that is just the way I am. And I couldn't notice that obviously this right here was missing. Now, many of you ain't gonna know what that is, and I'll go over it in a minute when we get onto the video. But this for me is very important. This actually can make and break a car, because it's the one thing that you constantly notice when you're on the move with any kind of vehicle. And this doesn't just relate for a BMW, this is for any car. And for me, I can just notice it with the corner of my eye. And like I said, it's one thing that always bugs me. And yes, I am OCD about these cars, but it shows you how in detail I go to get everything for these cars perfectly and get them perfect before I even use them myself. So let's get onto this video.
Goddamn, get it done, will ya? When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
So here we are, guys, on the wheel. Now, as I just explained to you, have you ever noticed when you've gone out to your car, or every month, or when the car's been sitting, you're losing air in your tires? And this is a very, very common problem many people don't even think about or don't even look at. Now, this right here is your shredder valve. Now this, as you can see, is missing an important part, which is the cap. Now, many people seem to think that's not important, but it really is. As you can see, it's missing a cap, which is why I'm gonna put these on today. Now, these are very, very important. And why is that? Because they stop any kind of leaks coming out of the shredder valve and also protect the shredder valve from being damaged, which obviously they're not expensive, but it's also not beneficial when you come out and notice you've got a flat tire. You can't put air in it because the air ain't pumping the tire up. And you then therefore have to get your tire removed to put a new valve in. It just doesn't make sense when you can just cheaply buy a set of these caps and put them on. Now, they're missing on every single one of my wheels on this car, and it was just something I just couldn't help but notice the moment I got this car. Now, I did order a set of these, which are right here, and these are direct from BMW. You can see the original BMW ones. These were actually £20 from BMW. I know many of you will say that's absolutely crazy because you can buy them cheaper, but when you buy cheap, cheap is not always the best. And I obviously wanted the M ones, which I got with them. They've all got the M badge on them. So I'm gonna be putting these on now. And as you can see, it will actually close that nasty looking shredder valve, you know, and make it a lot more nicer. They look nice, obviously the wheels do need a clean, but the car is still a work in progress at the moment. But I'm gonna go around and just put all four of them on and tidy up this car. Same for this one. Let's put this one on as well. Just look how much better that actually makes the tires look with that on, instead of having nothing on there. And do you know what? I don't really care who calls me OCD, because I'm proud to be OCD, because this is why my cars are immaculate. I can't just drive a car like this. Probably seeing all the wheels all curved as well. They are all gonna be refurbished. Even these tires are gonna come off because they're not matching tires. We've got Michelin Pilot 4s on the rear, and these are gonna have Michelin Pilot 4s on the front as well, or P5s. They're gonna all be matching, because that's one thing I cannot take is non-matching tires. I also don't like that these are bald on the outside. It's probably from the control arms and the tracking. Where the tracking ain't correct, you can see the wheel sticking out even though the steering wheel is correct. So that's another thing that needs to be corrected. As I said, I'm very OCD in my cars, and all these wheels need to be redone because they're just in a bad state. There you go. And now I know the shredder valves are all protected, and therefore they're not gonna leak any kind of air out of them. So there you have it, guys. I've just replaced all tire valve caps. As I said, there's no reason to be cheap. These are only £20 from BMW. And obviously, you guys know you can buy sets online for even cheaper. There is no reason not to replace them. They make the car look very cheap and tacky, which this car is not. And it wouldn't have come out of the factory with no tire valve cap, so it didn't make sense not to put them on. Now, these M1s actually suit the car much better because they actually blend in with the wheels, and obviously once the wheels are refurbished, they're actually going to stand out. That's one of the reasons why I went for these BMW ones. As I said, they are readily available online. No point me linking them, you guys can find them. Many of you probably won't opt to buy these, you'll buy cheaper brands, and that's fine. Just make sure to put these tyre valve caps on, because as I said, these cars, for me, I noticed it even on anybody's cars on the street, they're missing them and it just looks tacky. And it's something that I just can't take my eyes off. Things like that really do bug me up, my OCD very, very badly. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's only a short video just to tell you, make sure you have these on, because otherwise your car's tyres will end up deflating over time. Thank you very much, guys. BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.